I would definitely encourage chemistry and biochemistry program. It has been very beneficial so far, especially just the personal relationships you have with teachers in that small school atmosphere. They take people who just have a passion for research or a passion for whatever they want to do, and they really help you grow and support you through everything you try to do.
I think coming into school, I always saw myself as being a pre-med student, and I didn't really see myself as having any sort of passion for organic chemistry, but after getting here, I found out that I was actually really interested in it, and I had this unique opportunity to get involved.
I knew that in high school that I had wanted to go into medicine because I wanted to help people, but helping people comes in so many different forms, and that's like the way that I know that I want to make my mark on the world is through research, because we're literally examining molecules and like how you alter these at the atomic level and how that changes physical properties that you can see. Like, that's fascinating. Like, I kind of want to do that for the rest of my life. And then working in a research lab really, really enforced that for me.
A lot of the professors are very approachable and easy to talk to. I know I've gone to a few of them for advice, or they're always willing to have a conversation in the hallway when I see them, or just say hi. I think it's just very nice to have that type of relationship with the faculty here.
The grad students in this lab are unmatched. When I come in and I'm like, I don't know what any of you guys are talking about, they sit down with me, they walk me like entirely through it. No question's a dumb question, which is really great to have, especially in a research environment where there is a possibility for a lot of errors. So it's just really nice to like be supported and to just have these people around me.
I think having the opportunity to talk about some of those experiences in the lab at different symposia in the region with schools from all across the country, really, and I think that was really insightful.
I got to go to the central regional meeting for ACS. I got to receive feedback on characterization for my molecules and like what maybe I could do in the future, maybe some cool future work, as well as make really cool connections with people in my field.
I think the professor that I work for and the research really helped guide me in a way that I decided I loved research, and that's something that I wanted to pursue later in life. So I would definitely highlight getting involved in something like that because it has been helpful for my student career so far.